today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your pay app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here. And here you're looking for pay app, or just click here on search, then here add pay app. So it's going to show for you like this. Click on it, then it's going to take you to next here. Just click here on first stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just go to your Play Store, click on it here. So then you search for pay app network. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.